Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly paint an entire table of terrain from the Fukai Chaotic Alien Hive Kickstarter. The goal is speed and immersion. These buildings are huge, and if you try to paint them with the same level of detail as your miniatures, you'll easily spend days on a single piece. So we're going to make a few smart compromises that still deliver a great looking, immersive result. I start by priming everything with cheap spray cans I got for about $1 each. The upper floor's walls and plinths get a coat of white followed by ivory. The floor surfaces are sprayed brown. Pillars and first floor walls are sprayed red. The red spray is a bit glossy, so I go over it quickly with a thin coat of red paint by brush to tone that down. Next, I dry brush the brown floors with a lighter brown and even add a diluted orange wash in some places for variation. Once all the pieces are fully assembled and glued together, I apply a generous coat of walnut wood stain, also just $1, across the entire model. It's super satisfying to watch it flow into the details, and the result is fast, dramatic, and alien. I use the exact same method on all the scatter props. It's quick, affordable, and the finished table looks fantastic during gameplay. Honestly, I'm really happy with how it all turned out. If you're looking for a fast and immersive way to bring your Fukai terrain to life, this method is perfect. This new biome was also a great opportunity for me to experiment with a lot of new techniques I hope to reuse and improve for future biomes. While working on it, I also took the time to update and enhance many of the older biomes. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting this journey. If you like this kind of terrain or painting approach, don't forget to check out the campaign, leave a comment, and share it with other players who might enjoy it.